Hey guys, a little bit different video here. I want to talk about the missile that hit Zawahiri. Pretty interesting to me, kind of geek out on this kind of stuff. The Hellfire missile is not a new missile. We've been using that for precision strikes in our military for some time. In the late 2010s, they redesigned the Hellfire missile to be more of a precision strike, to where it was less collateral damage. In other words, the payload was taking out too many people. They wanted to be a little bit more precise. What they did is they redesigned the Hellfire to not carry an explosive payload, but to carry essentially tungsten. They renamed this the R9X. Now, in addition to it having a tungsten payload, it also has 6 blades that deploy right before impact. In fact, they renamed the missile the Ninja for that very reason, because of those blades that come out. And those blades coming out at the speed that it's moving with the weight, the tungsten, and all that kind of stuff, when it hits whatever it hits, those 6 blades pretty much slice through everything, including metal, any kind of armor or whichever. So it's a pretty effective missile. It is a laser guided missile. Obviously, you're going to have some explosions whenever you fire this thing, but that's only if you're hitting a gas tank or anything explosive around it. You'll notice in a lot of these videos that I have that all you see is dust and dirt fly up, because it's simply the weight and the speed of the R9X that's doing the damage here. These things can obviously be fired by helicopters or, like in the case of Zawahiri, a Reaper drone.
Hakka sherpa sherpa. A bakala. Ah, durka durka durka.